Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a recipe that is very simple, very easy, and a great gift idea. Actually, I gave this to my mom and my best friend for their birthdays, and I think they liked it. So yeah, maybe this inspires you. First up, you want to go ahead and cut down some dried mango. This is a little bit difficult, as you can see, but I'm sure you can get it done. Then you also want to cut down about a handful of cashew nuts, but you can use other nuts as well. I like cashews, I think they give a great taste. Then you want to melt 1 bar of white chocolate, and as you can see, I'm doing that in a hot water bath. So you want to make sure that your chocolate does not touch the water ever, because then it will be ruined. And when it is completely melted, you can grab a couple of the mango bits and a couple of the cashews, and you want to sprinkle them in there and give that a quick mix. Now you can take your little chocolate forms or tins, whatever you call that, and you want to pour the chocolate in there, and then you want to make sure that you distribute everything evenly, so you get a nice layer of chocolate with nuts and mango bits everywhere. Then you want to sprinkle a little bit more of the mango and the cashews on top so it looks pretty, and that is the first part done. Next up, you want to take a new little bowl and you want to melt some dark chocolate. Again, when it is completely melted, you can go ahead and use some of the mango bits and some of the cashews and mix them in. Give that a quick mix so everything is covered in the chocolate, and then you can pour it into your little chocolate trays. Again, make sure to distribute it evenly so you have a nice layer of chocolate with mango and nuts. Now, when you're done with that, you can take what is left of the dark chocolate and you can sprinkle a little bit of that onto the white chocolate to create a nice look. And then you want to again add some of the mango on top of the dark chocolate, as well as some of the cashews for, the looks. And again, with what's left in the other white chocolate bowl, you can sprinkle just a little bit of on top. Then you want to make sure everything is distributed evenly, and you want to let it cool down overnight, or at least for 4 hours in a cool spot. And then you're ready to enjoy. So here you can see the finished product. I think it's a very nice gift. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.